بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami daripada kumpulan terakhir Sekolah Sultan Alam Shah ingin membentangkan projek proposal kami pada hari ini, iaitu Ayub BIOS 9000 Semi Automatic Cooking Temperature Controller. Macam Ayub. Kenapa Ayub? Itu yang menjadi persoalannya pada hari ini. Mengapa? Pasal pasal kita nak projek kita ni nama dia market sikit kan, jadi ada yang nilai komersial sikit. Hari ni kita akan tengok apakah masalah yang kita hadapi, mengapa kita melakukan projek inovasi pada hari yang mulia ini. Oleh sebab kami tengok kebanyakan kumpulan daripada video ni trending pada hari ini, jadi kami pun mengambil inisiatif untuk membuat video kan. Jadi harap enjoy. Harap ribu. Ini nama kumpulan kami. Mentor kami ialah Dr. Zarawi, Kakak Ain Hidayu dan Abang Nik Ahmad Faiz Beroslan, dan saya Ahmad Zarid Nur Jamil, dan juga kawan saya di sebelah saya ini adalah Fidaus Jasri. Okey, hari ini kami muncul dengan hanya 2 orang saja kerana setelah segala hardship yang kami lalui untuk melakukan projek ini, kami ingin sedekahkan pelatihan kepada orang kerana orang MIA semasa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm going to read out the answer to the video just now, and the answer is that a banana chips entrepreneur is having a hard time in determining the perfect temperature to fry those bananas. Temperature plays an important role in frying, as they determine the crispiness of a certain chips. Before the modern age where humans use machines to help them in their daily life, this particular person uses her long life experience to find the temperature needed, which she found later inaccurate. Minta maaf ya, presentation kita hari ini dua bahasa. Mantan kan ada juga rakan-rakan kami yang tidak fasih sangat dalam bahasa Melayu, bahasa Inggeris. Saya explain dalam bahasa Melayu ya. Maksud dia kan kat sini kan, ada siapa orang yang jual pisang ni, orang yang goreng pisang ni, keripik pisang ni, dia ada masalah. Masalah dia terlebih hanyut. Masak goreng sikit hanyut hitam, tak sedap kan. Lepas tu bila tak sedap orang tak beli kan. Tu masalah dia sekarang ni. Bila tak beli duit tak masuk, modal keluar tapi income tak masuk. Tu masalah dia sekarang ni. Tu masalah dia. Okay, kita move on. Okay, sorry. Please. The objective of the research determine the perfect temperature to fry chips, banana chips to be particular, makes the process of frying chips easier by the second. To get the optimum crispiness of the chips, the right temperature is needed, and to increase the output of the entrepreneur, thus increase the income and life quality. This is the advantage of our machine that we are planning to build. Firstly, it is simple and easy to operate. We know that those entrepreneurs in the rural areas, they're not very good in what we call technologies. They don't have the abilities to operate technologies well. So we're making this machines simple and easy to operate so that they can operate them easily. And it's mobile, it's portable, you can bring it anywhere. You want to do it in your box, you want to do it in your bedroom, you want to do it in the kitchen or anywhere else, it's portable. And it's economical, it's affordable. You know that those people in rural areas, they are not, some of them maybe they are rich, but mostly are not that rich to afford expensive machines. And we're making this economical, so it's like, it's just for you. It's not, we're not making it into an industry, it's just for you to eat every day, to make money. It's just a small business. So making it cheap, and we only use it at small cost. And talking about cost, it takes lower maintenance costs, so that people in rural areas don't have to go into town every day, every single day to get their machines maintained. So it's cheap, and it allows multitasking and saves time, which will be explained later by my partner here, the moments after this. So what do we need? A few things, important things we need to what we call invent this machine. And first of all is a deep fried thermometer. A deep fried thermometer is something that most of you, all of you have never heard before. Well, yeah, definitely, I had never heard this word before today. So it's used to measure the temperature of the oil in the wok. So it's not going to touch the bottom of the wok. It's just going to what we call swim in the oil. Second, it's the control board. It's like a nucleus that controls all the activities of the machinery. This is not biology, but this is engineering. Without the microcontroller, this machine won't move even an inch. Thirdly, it's a wok. Wok is what we call in Malay kuali. It's used to fill with oil, then later fry the chips. Next, the stove will provide fire that will heat up the oil. And next is a DC motor. It is used to turn the knob of the stove in order to increase or decrease the heat intensity. Next is keypad. It provides a medium to program the control board to one's liking. I know many of you will not understand why we choose these tools, but your answer will be answered later, so please hold. Next is LED. We will light up into green or red when a certain temperature is reached. A buzzer will produce a high-pitched sound which is easily heard when a certain temperature is reached. We're not actually good in artistic, so this is the best you can get up to. So it's this. That up there is the digital thermometer. I think I've seen that Taylor. I've never seen it before. Is the wok filled with chips. There's a stove down there, and at the knob there's a DC motor. You turn right or left to increase or decrease, like I said just now. And that's the keypad, numbers, stars and hashtag. The control board there, lots of chips, and the buzzer and LED, you can see. So this is the system, how we work the machine, and my friend will, what we call explain the system.
Okay, thanks to my friend, Muhammad Firadasri. So this is how our programming will work. So first of all, when you start the machine, first set the temperature range, the temperature that we are going to use to fry the chips. So then we will set the time when are we going to put the salt water, and then the cooking time. So when we turn the stove on, when we set the range, it will we will use the temperature sensor to determine the temperature. So if it reach the required temperature, it will turn the motor. It will turn the motor left or right, depending on have it reached the target temperature yet or not. So if it didn't reach the temperature yet, it will turn the motor right. So to enhance the flame. So if it reach, then it will loop again, just in case if it reached the target temperature, and will turn the knob left. to calibrate the temperature to maintain it. So then after that, the timer will go on, and then at the same time the green LED and the buzzer will turn on to indicate that it's time for us to put the chips in. So then insert the sliced bananas, and then after the time set, then it's time, and then it will set the buzzer on again, and also another red LED. So this one indicates that it's time for us to insert the salt water. So then using the cooking time, then we will wait until the buzzer makes its final move, the last buzzer, and then it's done. So that is how our machine will, how our programming works, and how the flow of the machine.
I know that all of you were kind of weird. Why did we do this? Maybe instead we just do a machine that slices the bananas and everything that everyone else does, but we think it is too, what we call, mainstream. Why do what other people don't do? It's our style. And here's the estimated cost of what we estimate this machine cost. Digital thermometer, according to Moda.my, it's RM80 ringgit. And control board, I found it one in Lelong.com.my, it says RM200. And single gas stove, the price was told by Kakak Ain. And work was told by my mom. I texted her just now, and she said it's $100. The thermometer, I found one too in Moda.my, it says they are 50 ringgit. And a keypad, which is easily found in most computer shops, is RM40 ringgit. A buzzer, I've never found one before, but I searched in international websites and I converted it to RM, which says the RM20. And LED is 5 ringgit. We need 2, so it's 10 ringgit. And etc. is like cost of gas, petrol to buy stuff or something. And approximately it's RM 670 ringgit. So it's kind of cheap for those people to buy this machine and increase their outcome as cheap and it's affordable. So thank you.